Welcome back to Hold and Built. Like Datsun roadsters specifically, as far as like restoring them and stuff. That's some outside activity. Afternoon or good morning or good evening, because this thing was a Florida car and it was just not video, which is not uploaded yet, is an art form in itself. So let's get tame boost. This thing was up. Son of a biscuit. No. Woo! Monster Energy, sponsor me. I'm a heck of a driver. Don't ask the police that. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Oh my God. I know you're watching, FBI agents. Gotta get out my collapsible sawhorses here. They work great. Bang! You got yourself. All right, calling it a day. I'm gonna cut these floors right out and then like this the rest of the video now. Back and forth, just random, like, oh boy. Okay, I gotta stop. Oh no, don't worry, I don't need any help. No. Oh shit, no. Don't do what I do, because I probably could have just decapitated myself with this thing. Tetanus, decapitation, break out Old Faithful. Woo, man, this thing's been through. It's trying. It's trying. Got a new 220 whip. Oh, thanks, Dad. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, Clark. Oh. So I'm going to cut this flatty patty out, and then I'm just going for these fold lines. I'm going to take the plasma cutter. Shout out to my dad for this suggestion, and I'm just going to do like a 4-inch cut right here, do a little gap, 4-inch cut right there, leave a little gap, 4-inch cut, leave a little there, because this is, I forgot what gauge this is, but it is a little thick. So also I don't have a brake, so it'll be a lot easier to just bend the metal to make a nice little edge for me to weld, and I'll just weld in those plasma holes. But yeah, let's trace this out. Nice, slice and dice. And an edit for me, and then I just keep on editing it from editing the last video, but it is not allowing me to, something went wrong, unable to play. Now I did this last time on a video. It took like, I don't know what the heck the deal is. I'm just gonna hold out as long as I can without using like a $2,000 to $3,000 laptop or desktop in order to edit this stuff, because your priorities is a house, is more project car. No, just kidding. Ding dong here, forgot to turn on the air compressor. I turned the air handles on so that it can build pressure in the lines, but I forgot to turn the actual electricity on for the air compressors. And it just cut through this like warm butter, okay? Damn! Dude, Everett Sheffield, if you're watching, you better watch out, man. Whoo! I got the old plasma on dial. Look at the house. Sheesh! Damn! Damn! Okay! Let's get the bead roller out. We'll see how that works. Man, that thing saves so much time. Yeah, perfect little tiny slits in there. So now I'm just gonna space it correctly. Oh boy. Boys, that just stiffened that piece of metal up like none other. Let's see if it fits. It's probably not gonna fit the first go, but man, if it does, I'm gonna crap my pants, okay? Sure, I mean, that's a rough estimate. I have done. Jeez. After further massaging, it's fitting a lot better. It's fitting a lot better. Yeah. I am not mad at that, folks. Than anything I've done. Yeah. I'm gonna start tacking, see where we can go. That's some professional work right there. But let me get a level just in case, you know. Gun maintenance here. Just put some little, you know, new this, and hopefully it won't get stuck on there again. So sweet. Now we're cooking with Pinot. We're gonna start tacking, see where we can get. Than anything I've done. I don't have to sandwich it then. I can just... Now I'm not gonna worry about like leveling. Yeah. I'm gonna start tacking, see where that's some professional work right there. But let me get a level just in case, you know. Oh yeah, that is not too shabby, folks. Yeah, just gotta fill that. Those are not, but I'm pretty sure that will stick. That looks good. Good product. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, it is now dark outside. Oh, that's a lot of on and off with the welding mask. But yeah, I ran out of gas. Started to notice it. I'm like, man, these welds are getting crappier and crappier. That tank just, but it's less 0. I'm a little burnt out. I think I got quite a lot done given the circumstances. And like, yeah, that's what she looks like. Decent-ish welds. There is a little bit of bubbling going on. You know what I call that? Active suspension, people, for your seat. Can of, or tube of seam sealer, and just go over those just in case. And I should tape a GoPro to you, boss. Shop cat. Shop cat. You're a shop cat. This is going to conclude the day for me. I'm pretty darn tired. If you ever welded, you know, this type of stuff before, it's just constantly on and off of the auto dark. It's quite, eyes are a little burnt out. Henry, I swear, if you attack my leg, dude, weird like clutch thing going on with the pedal. Something's binding. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you like this sort of content. because I don't. No, it's super stoked on that. Please give it a like, subscribe. That helps me out a ton. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at IsaiahHolden3. You'll see a lot of like daily videos, mostly on my story and some reels here and there on, we'll get you caught up to date on what I'm doing in my daily life. But as far as right now, we'll see you later, folks. Thanks for watching.